Okay, in this explainer, we're going to do something awesome. We are going to build you a personalized AI student assistant that can save you hours, literally hours every single week. And the best part? It's going to take you less than 10 minutes and it is completely free. Let's jump right in.
Does this picture look familiar? I mean, are you just juggling classes, swimming in a sea of notes, with deadlines popping up everywhere, and maybe you're even trying to get a side hustle going on top of all that? Yeah, it can feel like you're totally underwater, just trying to breathe.
But what if you had a partner in all this chaos? An assistant that's on your team, working for you 24/7, that never ever gets tired, and is custom built for exactly what you need? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're about to set up right now.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh, I've used ChatGPT, I get it. But hold on, because what we're building today it's a whole different level. This is about creating a truly smarter tool that is tailored specifically to you.
So here's the absolute key. A custom AI assistant is an AI that you train on your world. It knows your syllabus inside and out. It gets the notes for your huge project. Heck, it's even aligned with your personal goals. You see, it's not just some fancy search engine. It's your personal academic strategist.
Let's really break that difference down. You know, a standard AI, it has all this generic knowledge, which is cool, but it has no idea what's on your syllabus for that final exam. Your custom AI, it knows. A generic tool has zero personal context, while yours actually understands the tiny details of your projects. And that's the game changer right there, moving from just general answers to real insights that are aligned with your goals.
So you're probably wondering, how do I actually build this thing? Let's get right into the blueprint. It's just 3 simple steps, and you are going to be shocked at how easy this is.
Okay, first, you just pick your platform. There are great free options out there like Poe.com or creating a custom GPT. Super easy. Second, and this is the fun part, you give it a brain. You just upload your materials, PDFs of your syllabus, your lecture notes, maybe some research papers. This is how it learns your world. And third, you give it a personality. You tell it how to help you. Maybe you want it to be a professional study coach, or maybe a Socratic questioner that really challenges your ideas.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. That whole step 2, uploading the brain thing, sounds a little technical, right? I want you to just relax. There is absolutely, positively no coding required here. I'm serious, this part is basically just drag and drop. If you can attach a file to an email, you've got this.
All right, before we go any further, it's super important we have a little reality check. As powerful as this is, we need to be really clear about what it is and, what it isn't.
So what's the right way to think about this? Well, is it magic? No, it's a tool. It's an incredibly powerful one for sure, but it still needs you. You have to guide it. You have to ask the right questions, and you still have to think critically about the answers it gives you.
But let's be really clear about something. It is a tool that can totally change your workflow. A tool that can genuinely save you hours and hours of busy work every single week. And just think about that. That's time you can put back into actual studying, into your projects, or into that side hustle.
So when you put it all together, what does this actually mean for you? Well, it means you now have a new edge, a way to work smarter, not just harder, and that gives you a real, tangible advantage.
And this new edge, it translates into faster, way more targeted research. You get personalized study help that actually understands your course material. And all of that frees up more time for your big projects. And yes, more time for those side hustles. At the end of the day, it's just a much, much smarter way to learn. So I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. With a tool this powerful saving you time, what could you build or create or actually achieve with a few extra focused hours every single week? The potential? Well, it's all yours.